A data center is a physical facility housing a network of powerful computers, storage drives, and networking equipment to store, process, and distribute large amounts of digital information. These centralized hubs are the backbone of modern digital life, supporting services from cloud computing and email to streaming videos and e-commerce. Here's a quick breakdown of how data centers work. Core technology components. At its heart, a data center is built on three pillars of technology that work together to perform tasks. Computing resources. These are the high-powered servers that perform the data processing and run applications. Servers are stacked in racks and can be physical machines or virtualized, meaning multiple virtual servers run on a single piece of hardware for increased efficiency. Storage systems. Data centers use vast storage systems to house digital information. Common methods include direct attached storage, DAS, on a single server, network attached storage, NAS, for file sharing, and storage area networks, SAN, for high-speed block-level data access. Network infrastructure. This includes the routers, switches, and miles of high-speed fiber optic cables that connect everything. This infrastructure manages data flow between servers, storage, and the external world to provide seamless connectivity for end users. Essential support systems. To maintain uptime and reliability, data centers rely on extensive support infrastructure. Power infrastructure equipment requires massive amounts of energy. A data center's power system includes uninterruptible power supplies, UPS, to handle short outages and backup generators for longer-term power failures. Cooling systems. The dense collection of electronic equipment generates an enormous amount of heat. Cooling is critical to prevent hardware failure and includes advanced air cooling systems, and increasingly, more efficient liquid cooling that runs directly over server components. Physical security. Data centers are protected by multiple layers of security to prevent unauthorized access. These can include reinforced structures, biometric scanners, video surveillance, and on-site guards. Fire suppression. Standard water sprinklers could damage sensitive hardware. Data centers use specialized clean agent fire suppression systems that extinguish fires by removing heat or oxygen without harming equipment. How data centers process information. When you access a service like a social media app or a cloud-based file, your request sets off a chain of actions within a data center. Request received. Your request travels from your device over the internet to a data center. Traffic management. A load balancer directs your request to an available server to distribute the workload efficiently. Data processed. The server runs the necessary application, retrieving any required data from the storage systems. Information sent. The processed information is sent back through the data center's network and across the internet to your device. Data stored securely. All data and user interactions are logged and stored securely within the data center's storage infrastructure. The modern evolution. Cloud and AI data centers have evolved significantly with the rise of cloud computing and AI, shifting from single, on-premises buildings to vast interconnected networks of facilities. Cloud data centers. Major providers like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft operate hyperscale data centers that offer virtual computing resources to clients on demand. This allows companies to rent computing power instead of managing their own physical hardware. AI data centers. The latest data centers are being specifically designed for AI workloads, with powerful, liquid-cooled graphics processing units, GPUs, and specialized networking to handle the massive processing demands of AI model training and inferencing. Edge data centers. These are smaller, decentralized facilities located geographically closer to end users. This reduces latency and is essential for real-time applications like autonomous vehicles, IoT devices, and fast content delivery.